People, we don't come again the voice of Biafra. The person where they hear his voice, Nana Breaking na dead. And today's topic is a very important topic because of what they happen for social media. Is Biafra identity in conflict with Igbo identity or vice versa? Because you get within they happen for social media, people just they fight each other. This one say we be Biafrans, we don't be Igbo. This other group say we be Igbo, we don't be Biafrans. For almost a week ago, you get one blog why they like, where they call Okporo, where they always post Igbo history and all those old pictures. About a week ago, the guy go post one picture where an engraving artwork where German artists make 17 something. And they write them for you. If I think you they see the picture as we show. Then they write them the Biafra in German. Now the thing cause serious controversy for social media because the depiction of the person can't be like Caucasian, a white person. The Biafra where the person draw. So people can't they ask the question. This person, where they draw, where they call Biafran, they na 17 something. Now if you say the original Biafran are white people, now they waiting some people they talk. Some even come then short the poster saying be idiot, him be criminal, him be you know how some of the Biafran people they behave like people. Somehow we get to every family we get people like that. They even they start saying a fake. So the thing can't reach where some people when they carry air here Biafra, you get people will be like Igbo nationalists. Some of them they watch their programs too for Facebook. Then they won't carry air here anything Biafra. Then can't carry the case for head. They talk say hey people the Portuguese can't create Biafra so that they will destroy Igbo. All those kind of things. So now why we say we make this program? Make people understand how history they work and how pictures they work. Because artists they put their racial bias into their works. If you see picture of Jesus for Greek, not be the same picture you go see for Spain. The Asian picture of Jesus for Greek and the one where they Spain not be the same. The one where they Greek carry beards. The one where they Spain get Iberian features without beards. Because now the mindset of the artist, then they put themselves into their work. And this artist will draw that Biafran. He draw other people from other parts of the world. Come put that one the Biafran. Remember say this artist no travel all every part of the world. Because I know say people will see that picture, will follow the argument, many of them are the watcher. The artists no travel all over the world. Now itinerant traders and explorers will meet they describe how people look. So him come they draw people according to how they describe them. And if you look at the hairstyle of this the Biafran where they put long nose. Now the kind of hairstyle too we been there in vogue in Igbo, Ibibio, Southern Cameroon and some other West African territories as a 17 something. If you look at how the person dress, you can also see say now how our ancestors been dressed. Oyibo no fit dress like that, open their chest. Because cold day, unless na during summer they fit do it. Forget what you they watch for Hollywood. So that picture, if they could say the person even bring them so they go come out, all this debate go they increase because we need to learn. I want to learn from you, you learn from me. Let's learn from each other, one another. So that thing no go come begin to uproot, begin to bring out things where people go begin to say we no be Biafran, we be Igbo. Human beings, group of people get different identities. We get multiple identities. There is nothing stop you from being Igbo and at the same time Biafra. I am Igbo, I am also a Biafran. I am also an Ndoke man. These are all my identities. An Englishman is also a British. So there is no conflict. I know see get some of one where they use Biafra deceive one, collect one money. Now the only job now to attack anything Biafra. No. Come out from your boss also. Come out from your boss and understand that we have multiple identities. Even the origin of Biafra, where they say in Portuguese, that does not make sense. But make we even assume, say, na Portugal give us the name Biafra. What is the big deal? America, where they there? Now then give themselves name. America, no be the name after an Italian explorer. Vespucci Americanus. People, they name people. It isn't English people name themselves. So that thing not gonna make you the hate your own identity. Biafra na vehicle where our elders used to extricate ourselves from the clutches of Nigeria in 1967. And that led to the death, the killing, the massacre of millions of people. And we raise a flag in the name of Biafra. It has become our identity. And it's not in conflict with Igbo identity. Neither is it in conflict with Ibibio, a fake identity or Ijo identity. No. So when I hear people, they spend time, they do this debate, they insult Biafra, their identity is useless, no be our own. This people, they say, Igbo no be our identity, not just language. No, stop fooling yourself. Igbo is our identity. And remember, both the origin of Igbo and the origin of Biafra, nobody sabi. Most of the things we read about this origin, na myth, na make believe. People put this thing together so that we can live as a community, help one another, fight against external aggression, which is helpful. So let's build on that. People who believe in Igbo nation should not be fighting with people who believe in Biafra nation. People who believe in Biafra nation should also not be fighting with those who believe in Igbo nation or the people who believe in what they call restructuring. If the basics of restructuring now to give us self-control within Eastern region, to give us good governance, to give us development, good education system, good health system, to pay our people salaries as when due, better salaries, living wage, pay them their pensions and gratuity as when due. That means we are all working together. Whether you are under the banner of Igbo nation, it doesn't matter. You are the banner of even Lower Niger Congress. For me, it don't concern me. So make we stop all the infighting. The thing just did this. Now why we say make we do this program? Because the thing don't become childish. This one say we not be Igbo. This one say we are Igbo, we are Biafrans. It has become, they are the identities. So embrace that and be proud of your identities. Now very short program we dey make so that we go stop the fear, the fight. Identity no be our major problem. Our major problem na freedom. Our major problem na lack of development. Our major problem na serious crisis, corruption, and the rest of them. They are more, solving those problems are more important than fighting over mere identity. Now here, where I go stop today. I beg, share this program so that it will reach many other people. Stop fighting your brothers. Your brothers are not your problems. Stop fighting your sisters. We are all in this together. Whether you stay under this umbrella, under this umbrella, under this banner, under this banner, as long as the reason why they do that thing now for our people to have a better life, we are all working together. Thank you, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.
Ebeka unu si Biafra, Ebeka unu si Biafra, Gamarapu Biafra. Gaimarapu Biafra, Gawe Bozo Gabibi, Biafra.